Now let's talk about the market because it seems no one actually knows what's going on right now. What we do know is the S&P 500 is up almost 1% today and it's up almost 2% over the past week. We also know the fear and greed index is at a 15, which is extreme fear. Now these levels are incredibly low, but it is much better than last week when we were all the way down to a 6. Now, there are a few different reasons why the market is starting to rally again. One of the reasons is it is looking more and more likely that we are going to get a rate cut in December. Now, if you don't understand why rate cuts are bullish for the market, let me explain. The first reason is borrowing becomes cheaper, so companies can expand faster. Loans for businesses get cheaper, so they have more money to expand and invest in their companies. The second reason is consumers start to spend more. Lower interest rates mean cheaper mortgages, car loans, credit card interest. When consumers spend more, companies' revenues increase and stocks go up with it. And then finally, investors move away from safe assets to riskier ones. The crazy thing is we are in extreme fear, an extremely fearful market, and the S&P 500 is only a few percentages below the all-time highs. Any talks about the AI bubble right now is just pure speculation. There has been no signs of slowing down growth for these AI companies. Just because the market moves down 1 or 2% doesn't mean the AI bubble is popping. For it to pop, something is going to happen. There's going to need to be proof that growth is slowing down. That's why right now, the only thing we can talk about in the market are the facts. The facts are the market is going up right now. The fear and greed index is very low. We're in extreme fear. And the odds of a rate cut in December are rising. There's no factual evidence that the AI bubble is bursting. There's no factual evidence that we're in an AI bubble, whether you believe it or not. Any negative movement is just speculation right now. And just remember, short-term volatility is a long-term gift.